Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about LCD topic, and in that LCD topic, we discussed construction and working principle of LCD, operation of LCD, and applications of LCD. So all these we discussed in the last class. Objectives. On the completion of this topic, the student is able to know about construction details of photodiode, operation of photodiode, characteristics of photodiode. So in this topic, we are going to discuss clearly about the photodiode, its operation, its construction, its characteristics, its applications. So clearly, we are going to discuss about the photodiode topic. Recap. In the previous classes, you have learnt about construction and working principle of LED, construction and working principle of LCD, construction and working principle of LDR. Those topics we discussed in the last class. That is recap now. Introduction. Photodiode is basically a reverse biased PN junction diode. In general, what happens? Photodiode is operated under reverse bias condition. Whenever a photo is false on the diode, To allow the light onto the junction, there will be a lens provided over the diode. When light falls on the diode, recombination of electron hole pair takes place, and what happens, more number of majority electrons are created. With that, what happens, current starts flowing and it conducts. This is the actual photodiode is operated like this. Now, in introduction, photodiode is basically a reverse biased PN junction diode. Its operation depends on the inner photoelectric effect. The incident light controls the reverse current of a photodiode. Electron hole pairs are generated by the incident light energy. Increasing the level of illumination increases the number of charge carriers generated. Thus increases the level of reverse current flowing. Construction. Here it is a diode, photodiode, having a PN junction. There is P plus N and N plus plus. There is SiO2 layer and transparent window, and transparent window light falls, and there is a representation of anode and cathode. The below layer N plus plus act as cathode, the above layer P plus plus act as anode. There are two layers, P type layer and N type layer, and there is a transparent window that allows the light, and anode cathodes are there. SiO2 surface possession layer is there. The construction of photodiode is shown in figure. This uses a planar diffusion technique. A heavily doped and shallow P region is diffused into a lightly doped N region. That is shown in figure. Heavily doped P plus plus substrate is diffused into N region. Heavily doped, that is shown with P plus plus. The lightly doped substrate is shown like N. The silicon surface passivation is restricted to small region on the top of P plus plus region. External lead is formed below the N region. Then N plus plus layer is formed below the N region. N++ layer is formed below the N region, and cathode connection is made from the N++ region. N++ means heavily doped N region. Here in construction, same here, P-type heavily doped substrate is diffused on lightly doped N substrate, and anode lead is given there, and here N++ heavily doped N region is there, and for that cathode lead is given for that. Here the whole unit is embedded in a clear plastic capsule or metallic case which has a transparent window on its top to allow light. Metallic case which has a transparent window on its top to allow light. The commonly used materials are germanium, silicon, cadmium selenide, cadmium sulfide, and cadmium telluride. When photodiode is kept in darkness, the current flowing through it corresponds to reverse saturation current, which is negligible small. The same construction figure is shown here. And this is the entire thing is placed in a plastic capsule, and there should be a transparent lens fixed over that to allow the light. This current is due to minority charge carriers crossing over the junction. When illuminated, additional electron hole pair are generated which cross over the junction to reach the conduction band. These charge carriers boost the conduction and hence current increases. The conduction of this device is due to diffusion of minority charge carriers. By changing the illumination level, the current can be varied and directly proportional to quantity of light. The circuit symbol of photodiode. The symbol has anode and cathode. Its symbol is same as ordinary diode, except arrow marks are shown on the figure. That means light falls on the diode. Hence it is called as a photodiode. Here photo means light. Photodiode means photo falls on the diode or light falls on the diode. And other symbol is showing that at the diode there is lambda representation. Lambda means wavelength. Wavelength of the light means light falls on the diode, or wavelength of some wavelength energy falls on the diode. That is called as a photo. So that can be represented with lambda also instead of arrow marks. So this is the symbol of photodiode. It has two symbols. VI characteristics of photodiode. It means volt ampere characteristics of photodiode or voltage current relation of photodiode. Voltage is represented on x-axis and current is represented on y-axis. That is called as VI characteristics or volt ampere characteristics. How will be the relation of voltage and current of photodiode? Here, so it is a reverse characteristics because diode is biased under reverse bias condition. Hence, there will be a reverse voltage and a reverse current and light illumination. To discuss volt ampere characteristics, we need two parameters. One is voltage, another one is current, and other one is light intensity. In this figure, voltage is represented on x-axis towards minus side. Current is represented on y-axis towards negative side, and the light intensity is shown on horizontal lines. Here 0.5 volts, 0, minus 1 volts, minus 2 volts, minus 3 volts, reverse voltage. And here current is in micro amperes, 200 microamperes to 400 microamperes it is shown. Here, as voltage increases, suppose say at plus 0.5 volts, the current increases towards positive side. For 0 volts, there is no current, negligible current, that is called as a dark current. At 1 volt, dark current means what? Whenever no light falls on the diode, that is called as a dark current. And say at 0.5 volts or 1 volt, and its current light intensity is 10,000 luminance, then current increases. And at same point of 1 volt, minus 1 volt, if we increase the intensity of light, say 15,000, the current increases. At same voltage, if light intensity increases up to 20,000, so current increases further. And light intensity increases keeping voltage constant. Say its value intensity is 25,000 luminance, the current increases to 400 microamperes. This is the characteristics of Characteristics of photodiode. VI characteristics of photodiode continued. The same figure is given here, that is the dark current is a small leakage current. For no incident radiation. Increasing the level of illumination increases the level of reverse current.
బిఫోర్ కరోనా ఆఫ్టర్ కరోనా ఎలా అయితే మాట్లాడుకుంటామో ఈరోజు గోవర్ధన్ పరిస్థితి కూడా బిఫోర్ కుమార్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ కుమార్ లాగా అయిపోయింది.
So VI characteristics of photodiode.
కుమార్ అనేటటువంటి అంశం అంటే కుమార్ రావటం వల్ల ఇదంతా మొదలైంది. కుమార్తో తను మాట్లాడటం అక్రమ సంబంధం పెట్టుకోవటం వల్ల అతను మనసు విరిగిపోయింది కాబట్టి అప్పటి వరకు బాగా చూసుకుంటూ ప్రేమగా చూసుకుంటూ ఇల్లే ప్రపంచం అనుకుంటూ ఉండేటటువంటి వ్యక్తి ఈరోజు వేరే వాళ్ళ చేత సాటిస్ఫై అయిపోవడం ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా అంటే అతను దేవుడో లేదంటే గొప్పవాడో అక్రమ సంబంధాలు పెట్టుకోలేదు వేరే స్త్రీలతో సంబంధం లేదు అనేటువంటి అంశం నేను మాట్లాడాను. ఒక హైపర్ సెన్సిటివ్ పర్సన్ అంటే హైపర్ సెన్సిటివిటీ అంటే కనుక మంచోడో దేవుడో అని అన్నట్టు. హైపర్ సెన్సిటివిటీ అంటే కనుక ప్రేమ ఏ స్థాయిలో చూపెడతాడో అవమానం కోపం వస్తే కనుక చూపెడేటటువంటి మనసు. అప్పటి వరకు కావిరి లేనటువంటి వ్యక్తి అప్పుడు కావిరి కాల్సి అవుతాడు. అప్పటి వరకు అనుమానం లేనటువంటి వ్యక్తి ఆలోచించి అనుమానం అనేటువంటి ఆలోచిస్తున్నాడు.
Increasing the reverse voltage does not increase the reverse current significantly because all available charge carriers are already being swept across the junction. Reverse current significantly because all available charge carriers already being swept across the junction.
ఎందుకు నేను గురించి చెప్తున్నాను అంటే కనుక చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఉన్నాం మనం. ఈరోజు అందరి గురించి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ముగ్గురు వ్యక్తుల కంటే ఎవరి గురించి అని ఎక్కువగా మనం మాట్లాడుకోవాలంటే అది నీ గురించే మాట్లాడుకోవాలి.
By changing illumination level, the reverse resistance can be changed by a factor nearly 20.
చాలా బాధగలిగే అంశం ఏంటంటే ఒక ఆడపిల్ల 16, 17 సంవత్సరాలప్పుడు ఒక ఇన్ఫాక్చుయేషన్తో ఒక మనిషి నచ్చి ఆ మనిషి తన చేతి మీద ఆ మేరీ అని పేరు రాసుకున్నాడు కాబట్టి నేను లవ్లో పడిపోయినండి 2, 3 నెలల్లోనే లవ్ అనేసుకున్నాం ప్రేమించేసుకున్నాం పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నాం పెద్దలు కాదంటున్నాం
So that is no summary. What summary is this? In this, we discussed clearly about the photodiode. In this photodiode, what we discussed, we have discussed about the construction. Construction and the principle, VI characteristics, symbols, all of these topics are discussed. In this class, you have learnt about photodiode is generally operated in reverse bias. It uses light rays for operation. With no light, the dark current is small due to less minority charge carriers. When illuminated, the reverse current increases the level of illumination. Start this. Photodiode is generally operated in reverse bias. With no light, the dark current is small due to less minority charge carriers. When illuminated, the reverse current increases with level of illumination. Quiz. Increasing reverse bias of the diode kept in dark condition. The current flowing through the device corresponds to option A, maximum value of current which can flow through the device. Value of reverse saturation current, option B. Option C is normal value of current. Option D is 0. It is zero current, we say. Also, actually, it is called as a dark current, but in this option, 0 is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Second question, quiz. VI characteristics of photodiode passes through the origin when light flux is and maximum, option A. Option B, minimum. Option C, 0. Average of maximum and minimum values. Here, average of maximum and minimum values is the option D. Frequently asked questions. Question 1. With a neat sketch, explain the characteristics of photodiode. Describe the construction and operation of photodiode. These are the frequently asked questions.
పట్టేసినామని చెప్పు.
So today we discussed about the photodiode characteristics, photodiode construction, and photodiode principle and photodiode symbol. All these corresponds to photodiode we discussed in this class. So we completed photodiode, LCD, LED. All these are comes under photo devices, and we discuss other topic in the next class.